Welcome into Yuyuan Garden. Welcome into your garden. Welcome into the Garden of Happiness. This is the inside of the Yuyuan Garden, just located next to the city god temple, the temple of city gods. Just next to the Yuyuan market. Very easy to get around here. Easily accessible. Over there. This is the entrance site. The garden was built by Emperor of the Ming Dynasty to please the offer, to make sure that his aging parents, his father and mother, have a peaceful life, a happy life here. That's why it's called the Garden of Happiness. Welcome into the Garden of Happiness. I will take you on a tour with me, the tour guide. So here you have a wishing wall. If you want to make a wish, you can just join them and you see the blossoms. The spring is also coming in the Garden of Happiness. Spring is already around. Look at this. Let's move this way. So, the courtyard, the inside of the Garden of Happiness, the Yuyuan Garden. This is the inside of the main hall. Look at these chairs. They are probably still the original chairs. Centuries old. It looks like a museum. And the ceiling and the lights. The architecture is still the original architecture. Just passing by others, trying not to disturb them while they try to take photos. And south entrance, Sui Hall. Look at bamboos. The Garden of Bamboos. The garden that offers a happy life for the aging parents of the Emperor of the Ming Dynasty. So this is Beautiful atmosphere. Bridges. This is the tour of the Yuyuan Garden, the Garden of Happiness in the heart of old town of Shanghai, next to the city god temple, just next to the Yuyuan market, Yuyuan bazaar. So Yuyuan Garden is the must visit. You are here in Shanghai, planning to visit Shanghai, living in Shanghai. This is another whole sitting area. New Year decoration. People are sitting. I see families with children, elderly. It's still early in the morning, it's around 10:30 today. It's not very busy. It is, yeah, it is a bit busy. And the parents of the emperor waking up to this beauty every morning, walking through this very little bridges, crossing over this pond below. Warning people. Another section of the garden, as you can see. Flowers, architecture, traditional Chinese architecture. Everyone is enjoying this moment. This is another sitting area, another hall, another section. Lovely plan. His parents would meet their friends for a tea ceremony. See over there? To grab a cup of tea with his friends or family members. My tour in the Garden of Happiness continues. I will follow this bridge a bit to get the view from here, as you can see. The Garden of going through this cave. Let me see how the exit is. So we made it. This area was destroyed twice. First during the Opium Wars with the British Empire, French, and then in 1942. When the Japanese forces invaded this area, it was destroyed again. It was destroyed again. But as I said, it was renovated, rebuilt, maintained This is a painting. You see the date? 1559, the start of the construction of this garden. So late 16th century. So late 16th century. This garden was built in late 16th century by the emperor. Another look from here. Welcome into the Garden of Happiness. Lined up. And this is the exit. Waterfall. Another section on the way. Up there, a tower. And he's sitting over there. Overlooks the entire garden. And here is another one. This is the description of this tower, Guan Tao Tower. See? And it's 3-story. Decoration for Chinese New Year, and so they light up it during the night. To look more beautiful. Architecture is the same. I've so far seen inside the Yuyuan market. Through these caves. So through the caves, they call it channels. Let's see. It's a bit dark, but you can make it. Make sure that you don't hit your head. See, both houses. It's cold. Have a look in here. There is another sitting area. Sound of water makes you to just sit around here and relax and enjoy your time. And here is another hole. It's sitting area. They look like ducks, I don't know. Just enjoying their time in this pond. There are like waterways, walkways, bridges, many trees. It's getting busier.